Hey guys, Joey again. Quick little tech tip for you. If you guys are wearing these arm cuffs with this little strap on here because they're too loose for you and you just want to have tight, because you know it's impossible to detect without one of these arm cuffs. I personally can't stand these things, man, because you got to sit there and constantly slide your arm in and then detect and then slide your arm out. Who has time for all that crap, dude? When you're detecting and you're trying to cut 50 to 100 holes, you need to be able to get your arm in, detect, and out. In, detect, and out. But you can't do that with a sloppy cuff, okay? So my solution to that thing here is I've modified all of my cuffs here. What you do is you adjust your cuff, okay, to exactly the way that you want it for your forearm. All right, get it perfectly molded to the way that you want it, and then pop it off. All right, so this is about the size of my forearm. It's nice and tight and perfect, but I don't want that stupid ugly cuff up there. All right, so then what I do is I come over here and I use the heat gun. All right, and what you're going to do with the heat gun, be very careful with this. You're going to heat the sides, okay? Both sides equally. Just keep heating them, running them back and forth. And what's going to happen is it's naturally going to take its shape, okay? It's going to take the shape that you want of your forearm. Now, it's going to be warm. While it's warm, you take it and you run it under cold water. And when you run it under cold water, it's going to lock that plastic into this shape of your arm, okay? And once that happens, you can go ahead and take the arm cuff off. And what you'll have left is a perfectly molded cuff that will fit your arm without having to use that stupid strap. You don't need it. Your arm snaps in, it gets perfect lateral support left and right, and you just pop it in and out. And just come back over to your detector and pop it back in place. Hurdy schmurdy, just like that. And just like that, all of your detectors will have the nice arm cuff size that you need without having to sit there and play with those ugly straps. All right, guys, hopefully that helped. Quick little tech tip. Joey again, Vegas Detect. Deuces.